Hi guys, welcome. We want to solve for a and b in a square minus b square equals 49, given a and b greater than or equals 0. So let's say solution. We have a square minus b square equals 49. So if you look at this, you see this a difference of 2 square, and we should recall that if you have x square minus y square, this is equals x minus y multiplied by x plus y. All right, applying this to this, it implies that this will become a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals 49. So we'll now do something here. We know that the factor of 49 that we have, the first is 7 and 7, right? The other one we have is 1 times 49, and we have another one to be 49 times 1. So we substitute all these three for 49 for each case. So let's say we want to go by case 1. These are resulting equation, right? So we are going to use, we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals, these are 49. So let's first use this. We have 7 times 7. Okay. So what this means is that we have this equals this and this equals this. So we have a minus b equals 7. Number this as our equation 1. Then we have a plus b also equals 7. Number this as equation 2. Now we can solve this simultaneously to obtain our value of a and b in this case. But to do, one of the easiest way to do is to add equation 1 and 2. Add 1, equation 1 and equation 2. If we have a plus a, it gives us 2a. All right, minus b plus b, we cancel it all, that's 0. Then we have 7 plus 7, which will give us 14. To obtain our a, we can easily divide both sides by 2. Then we have 2 here. This we cancel out this, so we have a equals 7. Okay, so to obtain our b, we substitute this value of a into our equation 2. What says by our equation 2, we have a plus b equals 7. So wherever we see here, let's put 7. So we have 7 plus b equals 7. We can collect the last term by transferring this 7 to the other side. So to obtain our b, so we have b equals 7 minus 7, and that is equals 0. So for this case, our case 1, our a, common b, all our value of a, we got 7, and b is 0. This is our first case. So we can move further to case 2. Don't forget our factors of 49 for case 2 is 49 equals 1 times 49. Okay, we have 1 times 49. Therefore we have a minus b a plus b equals 1 times 49. So we follow the same approach to make that a minus b equals 1. This should be equation 3, and a plus b equals 49. This should be our equation 4. Also, to obtain our a and b in this equation, so we can easily add equation 3 and equation 4. So if we had equation 3 and 4, we have a plus a, we have 2a minus b plus b, that's 0. Then we have 1 plus 49, that is 50. All right. So to move further from here, we can divide both sides by 2, which is the coefficient of a here. So we have 2a equals 50, then divided by 2 by 2. This will cancel out this. So we have a equals 25. Okay. So now we can easily substitute this. We can substitute this a equals 25 into equation 4. So what is by equation 4? We have, okay, let's just use equation 3. A minus b equals 1. So our a equals 25 minus b equals 1. To make b the same formula, we can transfer it here and transfer 1 here. So we have 25 minus 1 equals b. All right, so 25 minus 1 will give us 24 equals b. Therefore, our b is equals to 24. All right, so for this second case, we have our a comma b equals, what's our a? That's 25. And what's our b? That's 24. So this is for our second case, solution for the second case. For the third case, that is case 3, the factors we have is 49 times 1. So we have this. So 49 times 1. So therefore we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equals 49 times 1. Then we'll have a minus b, follow the same approach, equals 49. Name this as equation 5, and also a plus b equals 1. Let this be equation 6. Also, from the same approach, we had equation 5 and 6. Add equation 5 and equation 6. So if you have them, you have a plus a will give us 2a minus b plus b will give us 0 equals 49 plus 1, that is 50. All right, so if you divide both sides by 2, this will cancel this. We have a equals 25. So therefore, we can substitute this into equation 6. What is by equation 6? We have a plus b equals 1, right? So when our a equals 25 plus b equals 1, to obtain b, we transfer this to the other side. So we have b equals 1 minus 25, and we will have b to be equals 24. Therefore, for this case, our pair of a comma b equals, our a is 25 and our b is minus 24. But don't forget that our given equation is a square minus b square, right, equals 49. Given that our a and b must be greater than or equals to 0, right? So if we now look at this, you will see that this value of b here, the value of b here is less than 0. So meaning we will reject this. So the real solution is therefore a comma b equals 7 comma 0, or a comma b equals 25 comma 24. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.